Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore backup from Fonetool. So first go to any web browser, type Fonetool, and then you have to click the very first link that you can see. So I'm going to show you how. Okay, go to any web browser, type Fonetool, then here you will see this, tap this one, and then click this free download right here. Then you will be notified that it is now starting to download. Once downloaded, go to your download folder, click Run as Administrator, and then after that, you can go to your Start menu, type Fonetool, tap Run as Administrator again, and then after that, click Open. So you have to get ready with your, of course, you have to prepare your phone and your cable cord. You have to connect your iPhone to your PC. So these are the features of your Fonetool. If you want to focus on how to restore backup from Fonetool, you have to click this backup right here. So basically, this is what it looks like if you want to back up history from your iPhone. So to access the restore interface, select backup history from the left menu bar and then click the restore button. The original contents of the device won't be erased or overwritten when the backup data is restored. Duplicate content will accumulate on the device if the same contents are restored more than once. Please refrain from doing any photo restoration activities while the device photographs are synchronizing, as this could lead to a restore failure. Your Apple device will restart immediately when you successfully restore the contents of messages. You'll need to adjust a few settings to access the system once more. But basically, that's how easy it is. You just have to click this backup history, and it will somehow restore a backup from Fonetool. So if you want us to create or make another tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next videos.